The School of Health Information Management, Obafemi Awolowo University Teaching Hospital, Ile-Ife, held its matriculation ceremony for the 2024-2025 academic session on the 14th of February 2025. The event marked the formal admission of new students into the institution, signifying the beginning of their academic journey in health information management. The ceremony was graced by notable dignitaries, including the Chief Medical Director, Professor John Okeniyi, who was ably represented by the Dental Center Physician in Charge, Dr. Oyetola. In his address to the students, Dr. Oyetola inspired the matriculants with words of encouragement, urging them to be diligent and committed to their studies as they embark on a journey to become skilled professionals in the field of health information management. A major highlight was a keynote lecture delivered by Dr. J.K. Okele, the Deputy Director of Strategic Partnership, Linkages and Collaboration at the Federal University of Ekiti.
For example, today, myself started my journey from HIM, going to 2 decades now. But today, working as a lecturer, we have risen to the extent that we're even expecting to be pronounced soon as an associate professor. So basically, my name is Dr. Jacob Okele. Finished from OAUTHC School of Health Information Management about 2 decades ago. And in between, I have tried to develop myself to the point that in most cases, gatherings of professionals, one will always be invited to be part. Today, our students in OAUTHC are doing their matriculation for the current session, 2024-25 academic session. And basically, it's a very important step because this is where they are to be encouraged of what is expected in the program. Now, from the presentation of today, some important things that they need to pay attention to. One, you should know that HIM is as important as any other discipline in the sector. Be it medicine, nursing, or any other one, pharmacy. Because without HIM, which is the backbone of medical practice, all of these other programs will have issues. So, meaning that they have a program that has very perfect prospects, so to say. Without them, no running of clinic. Without them, no patient information. So currently, they have an advantage over us when we were students. One of such is that they are now in the midst of technologies. AI is there. With AI, they can do a lot. But apart from here, what is important for them is to learn how to use these technologies responsibly, both for personal growth and for their career advancement. They should have that understanding that HIM goes beyond hospital. They can work as specialists in different areas. What is important is for them to develop those fundamental skills. Number one, analytical skill, technical skill, communication skill. And they should also know that they should be able to bridge the gap between the ethical and legal aspect of the profession. Very important, because this will guide them in their activities. Now going forward, the future is bright for them. There are emerging areas they can go into. They can go into clinical coding and billing. They can go into clinical statistics. They can go into data analytics, to mention a few. But for them to actually gain the needed knowledge in these areas, one, they need training, which they will get through attendance at conferences. And some of these conferences and seminars take place online. Within the comfort of their homes, they can get access to them. Once they develop individually, for sure, their future will be brighter. So I want to encourage them to maximize the available technologies in their discipline. And while they do this, they don't want to ignore good relationship with others, because their network is proportionate to their networks. The more they network with other people within the system, the better. And with that, I want to assure them that their future is bright.
A total of 93 students took the matriculation oath, signifying their official admission into the school. Among them, 43 students were enrolled into the National Diploma Program, while 50 students were admitted into Higher National Diploma Program. The head of school, Mr. Sunday Omokoye, in his address, admonished the students to be diligent, disciplined, and focused on their academic and professional pursuits. He emphasized the importance of hard work and integrity, reminding them that their success in the field depends on their dedication and commitment to excellence.
Be dedicated to their study, attend lecture at the right time, be punctual to classes, ensure they participate in all lecture. At least they must be in attendance at least at 80% of the lecture for a semester. And also active participation in the class will be of a great help to them. They must be involved in the continuous assessment for this semester and ensure they also participate in the examination, the final examination. My sincere advice for the student is to make sure that they pursue in all honesty, in all diligence, the purpose and the reasons why they have come and sought admission to the School of Matriculation.
The matriculation ceremony was filled with excitement as students, parents, and members of staff celebrated this important milestone. The event ended with the signing of the matriculation register, officially inducting the student into the School of Health Information Management (OAUTHC). The 2024-2025 matriculation exercise was a memorable occasion that not only welcomed new students into the institution, but also reinforced the school's commitment to academic excellence and professional development in health information management.